Malandag Coconut Farmers Association is considered one of the best coconut-based organizations in the region, which shows exemplary performance in the field of coconut processing. Moreover, the association demonstrates a strong commitment to promote and implement good agricultural practices. Notably, their coconut syrup production is organically certified, underlining the high quality of their output. This dedication to excellence has led to the production of a world-class cocoa sugar which has gained international acclaim, being exported by their contract buyer located in General Santos City to countries such as US, China, and Thailand.
Recipient ng mga programa ng PCA, naging recipient kami ng kaanib na unang fertilization, planting program, intercropping na nakaratanggap kami ng kapi at saka itong coconut syrup production. As association, 50th plan ng Malandag Coconut Farmers Association together with the other small coconut farmers association of other barangay sa locality, may plano na magkaisa, magkaandela kami sa malaking kooperatiba sa Malungon para makapag-pop up ng isang processing plant ng lahat ng produkto ng ma-produce ng mga coconut farmer. So para sa value added finished product ng lalabas dito sa Malungon.
Lahat hindi naman pwedeng gumalaw, pero kami naghanap talaga ng paraan na makapagpatuloy sa pag-produce ng cocoa syrup dahil kailangan namin kumita. Ang mga tao ko, 10 pamilya yan, mawalan. 2 taon yung nakaraan, malaking kawalan talaga sa amin na hindi kami magpatuloy ng pag-produce ng syrup. Sa asosasyon, ang nito talaga, yung original na nagtanim, tumatanda na rin. So, kailangan na rin new permanent crops ang itatanim para yun na rin ang insurance pag tumanda na kami.
This excellence translates into tangible improvements in the quality of life of its members through augmented income streams. Remarkably, even amidst the challenges posed by the pandemic, the organization adeptly navigated these trying times, ensuring the continuity of its operations. This resilience consequently enabled the members to sustain their livelihoods throughout the crisis. This posed a great contribution in the development of processing of coconut value-added products, which encourages other constituents within the barangay to engage in coconut farming. Truly, it shows that coconut farming per se is indeed a bread and butter. The organization produces quality coconut syrup which gave a significant increase in income for the organization and its members that helped them to do investments like purchasing a parcel of land, buying a motorcycle for their daily activities, and purchasing various appliances. Also, the revenue generated from producing coconut syrup has been channeled toward funding their children's education.
Malaki talaga ang naitulong sa amin ito ng asosasyon na ito sa coconut syrup production dahil nabigyan kami ng magandang hanap buhay at nakabili ako ng motor at saka nakabili din ako ng mga gamit sa bahay, refrigerator, TV. At isa sa pinakamalaking napundar ko, nakabili ako ng lupa, pwede kong masakahan para makatulong sa pag-aaral ng ating mga.
Good morning everyone, my name is Katlea Kawari Ogan, first year college students at nagpapasalamat ako sa PCA Art Association dahil malaki ang naitulong nito lalo na sa aking pag-aaral.
In addition to its success with coconut syrup production, the organization has diversified its activities by venturing into coconut vinegar making, further contributing to its daily income. This multifaceted approach underscores the organization's dedication to economic growth and sustainability for its member and community.